Ba't walang shot, sikit? Ba't walang shot? Wala akong makita.
Pick up the phone! Pick up the phone!
Ikaw!
This is an official report from the police department. We have received
Ayoko na maglaro, yagi na
in
tawad.
your local area. Unfortunately, the phone service will be down for repairs. Here are steps to ensure your safety.
Oy,
You are victim
baka
of
lang sa ko,
intruder incident.
makapagalitan.
1. Hide and don't wander the house. Stay in one room. 2. Wait for the intruder to leave.
Wait for the intruder.
Oy, ito parang ano ba to? Parang ano ba pangalan nun? Yung parang
I
double,
hope you are now
double,
prepared for when you are in an intruder incident.
Mandela katalog ba yun?
Ito na yan.
Mandela katalog ka kasi si Bahay ko. Hindi ko nga rin alam. May nasa na sikit. Tatago! Yung pa sikit. Subyagin. Anxiety 20 po. Anxiety boy. Ba't tumataas ang anxiety ko? Bakit tumataas? Uy! Uy! Dimali tayo! Bitch! Nightmare kasi, ba't kasi nightmare?
Ay, pula easy. Wait lang.
Daya. Ba't ganun? Sige. Na tayo.
Cheers, no.
Punisan yan.
Cheers, no.
Official TikToker. Sayang yan, sayang.
What?
What do you mean? I don't see anything in the GC.
Wait.
I got
I don't see anything
Oh
in
my
the
god.
GC.
The police department.
Skip! Skip it. Ano gagawin natin? Why you hiding, guys? Why you hiding, guys? Why you hiding, guys? Wait, saan ko makikita yung intruder? Hindi na-kill yun. Oh shit, wrong. Go down the lights and close the door.
Phone will occasionally ring due to power restriction from your suppressor outside. It is your job when it works. When it reaches 100.
Shut your ass up! Shut your ass up! Shut your ass up! Uy, Gagi! Five Nights at Freddy's! Five Nights at Freddy's po! Ano gagawin ko? Come out lang yun sa kill yourself. Close the beach. Close the beach. Ain't no way, bro. Dimali tayo. Okay, I'm gonna make a girl. I'm gonna also make a girl avatar like that boy. Gusto mo body. Nagawa ko ng body na avatar. May 35 Robux pa ako, may 35 Robux. Wait, gagawa ko ng body avatar. With 35 Robux.
Get a new character, I can tell you how.
Robux. I'm gonna ask a guy if I want some. Ito, girl pala, girl. Ito yung body. Yeah! Handsome! Yes! Yes, no. Thank you. I will interrupt. Anong wrong answer?
No,
Wrong answer.
allowed.
What?
Wait. This guy has VC. I'm gonna scream on her. I'm gonna pray him on her. Wait, di ko marinig yung busy niya, di ko marinig ang How you doing, baby girl? Di ko ang baba ng busy, gubi akin. Ay, narinig ko. Boy, boy, pahinga Robux. Pahinga ako Robux. Hindi, tira mo yung drip mo, naka-supreme ka, di ba? Ang bakit mo ate? Ang bakit ang avatar mo?
Hotdog.